Welcome, dear viewers, to an intriguing exploration of the Book of Ezekiel, chapters 29 to 32. Imagine a time when a nation's destiny clings in the balance, as prophecy and divine messages shape the fate of mighty Egypt. These chapters in Ezekiel hold fascinating revelations, and we're here to unravel them together. Chapter 29 is where it all begins. Here, the prophet Ezekiel issues a stark warning against Egypt, likened to a proud crocodile lurking in the Nile. God speaks through Ezekiel, declaring in verse 3, "I am against you, Pharaoh, king of Egypt." This isn't just a critique, it's a profound statement signaling Egypt's futility and over-reliance on its natural defenses and grandeur. Moving on to chapter 30, the theme of impending doom expands. The day of the Lord is announced, a pivotal term underlining a significant event when divine judgment is imminent.
Verse 2 says, "Wail, woe to the day," emphasizing the inevitable calamity awaiting Egypt and its allies. This section highlights the inseparable bond between their fate and their pride. In chapter 31, the allegory shifts to a towering cedar tree representing Assyria's downfall, a cautionary tale for Egypt. Verse 3 illustrates, "Consider Assyria, once a cedar in Lebanon, both majestic and imposing. Its eventual destruction is a sobering reminder of the consequences of hubris and the reality that no earthly kingdom can withstand divine justice."
Finally, chapter 32 is an elegy, a poetic lament for Egypt. It's a grave reminder that even the mightiest can fall. Verse 7 paints a vivid picture. "When I snuff you out, I will cover the heavens and darken their stars." This symbolizes the profound impact of Egypt's decline, not only on itself, but on the entire world stage. As we unfold these chapters, we see how they serve as a powerful reflection on pride, human limitation, and the divine order. Ezekiel's words transcend time, serving as a testament to the delicate balance of power and the intricate weave of fate and righteousness. Stay tuned for more deep dives into these prophetic texts.